In this video, we will show you how to install .deb files using Ubuntu. In here, you must log in as super user or root. Okay, I type super user in here and input my password and make sure you are root on here. Who am I? I'm sorry. Who am I? You can see I already a super user here. So let's clear first the terminal. And in here, I want to download .deb file extension is figlet in here. I want to download this figlet file. And after download, let's see the file is already exists. Just type ls or list in here and then hit enter. You can see there our list file is .deb. This is figlet. After you fresh install the Ubuntu and you directly using apt install figlet like this, it will file it. Okay, you can see there you need to install the figlet using the command, but you need add dot and slash in here, dot and slash in the front of the files. You can hit enter and try this works or not. As you can see there, the little different it makes sense in here. So if you want to try to see the figlet is already installed or not, you can just type not sudo, just because we are already super user. Just type dpgg -l and type the package is figlet in here. If you can see, the figlet is already successfully installed. And we can try to some command using figlet. For example, where data, and the figlet will showing something look like this. And that's all tutorial how to install .deb files on the Ubuntu. If you cannot still install the package or deb files, you can try to using apt update like this. Okay, after you type the command apt update, you can also using apt upgrade to upgrade your packages. Okay, apt upgrade like this, and maybe this also help you to installing the .deb files on your Ubuntu. After you are upgrade your packages, you can also try to restart or reboot your Ubuntu operating system. And that's all tutorial how to install .deb files using Ubuntu. Okay, the command is apt space install space dot slice the name of your file. Hope this video helpful for you.